Welcome back to the lesson. In our previous video, we've discussed about how to access set items, and in this video, we're going to be discussing about how to add items to a set. Once a set is created, you cannot change its item, but you can add new item to a set using the add or update method. So let's go ahead and see for ourselves. As you can see, we have set already defined, my set. Now let's go ahead and try to add an item to our set right here. Now, first of all, let's go ahead and print our set. Let's come down below here and let's go ahead and say print my set like so. And if we go ahead and run our script, as you can see, we have our set of banana, cherry, and apple. So let's go ahead and add another element or item to our set using the add method right here. So let's come in between our set and our print method. Let's go ahead and call our set my set dot add like so. And we're going to go ahead and pass the element or the item that we wanted to add to the set inside the add method. So let's go ahead and say we wanted to add pineapple like so. And now if we go ahead and run our script, you're going to see that we have added pineapple to our set. So this is basically how we go about adding individual elements to our set using the add method. So to add elements or items from another set into the current set that we have already defined right here, let's say we have another set down below here. Let's say another set, which is a set of, let's actually go ahead and copy this first. A set of pineapple, let's say orange and mango. Sorry, this has to be within a quotation, mango, like so. All right, so let's say we wanted to add the element of another set to my set right here. So that's basically where the idea of using the update method come into action. Now we can simply use the update method to add the elements from one set to another. So let's go ahead and do that. Now let's go ahead and comment this line of code because we are done adding a single element to our set. Now let's go ahead and try to add the element of another set to my set right here. So let's come down below here and we're going to first of all go ahead and call my set dot update. And within our update parentheses, we're going to go ahead and pass our another set right here. Copy, paste it right here. And now we have successfully added the element of another set to my set right here. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now, if I go ahead and print my set, which is already here, now let's go ahead and run our script. As you can see, we have the element of another set, which is pineapple, orange, and mango. Pineapple, orange, and mango are added to our my set, which is our first set right here. So this is basically how we go about adding elements of one set to another. And FYI, the update method does not only accept set, it also accepts other iterables like tuples and list. So let's actually go ahead and check that. Let's actually come down here and define a list. Let's say my list, which is defined with square bracket like so. And let's go ahead and say it's a list of kiwi and papaya like so. All right, now we can simply go ahead and pass my list right here inside of our update method instead of passing a set. So we can pass other iterable as well, and it's totally fine. Let's go ahead and now run our script. As you can see, we have our kiwi and papaya right here, papaya and kiwi. So therefore, as you can see, the update method does not only accept a set, but rather you can pass other iterables such as list and tuples. So I hope now you understand how to add single elements to a set as well as elements from another iterable such as set, list, and tuples to another set. So I hope everything is clear to you, and I will see you in the next one.